Buying bedroom furniture. Are you trying to make a bedroom look bigger than it truly is? That's a problem in decorating. The first thing you should do so is have a look at the lighting and color of the room. In case the room is too dark, it'll make a room look little and closed in. By painting it and increasing the room's lighting a color that is light, you'll be able of making the room seem bigger. Since they'll block out light, utilizing drapes is normally advisable. A color look bloated and dark by painting the walls of the room. If you want to create a room look cozy, but not great if you want to create a room appear large, this is good. You should move your furniture around from time to different positions. The room is kept by this, letting you find the best place for your furniture and interesting. Additionally, it lets you find positions that are creative if you won't have moved the furniture that you'd have never found. The second thing you should do so is have a look at the size and position of your furniture. Will appear to be taking a lot of space in the room up. Purchasing furniture that is little provides you the appearance of having a bedroom. It may have the same impact as the colors of the walls by choosing furniture that has a color. The final thing you may do to make a room look larger is place wall mirrors in it. Wall mirrors give the illusion of making more space in a little room. You're able to increase exactly the illusion more if the mirror catch mild from the window or lamps. At one point in your life, you're going to have to determine how to make a small room appear larger. It's quite common issue for interior decorators, but one that may be fixed. Jeff Schuman invites that you to visit his article writer website for 100% copyright articles and multiple article discount rates on website and blog articles. Click the link below to get the best product in the market. It's an affiliate link.